Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Silverreploid CLA. How are you guys doing, YouTube? That's right, the Silverreploid coming at you live, looking fresh in the flesh on the next run stream. And welcome back to another reaction video. Today, we're into another request from a fellow subscriber. He wanted me to react to this video called "Extreme Burping Pranks in Public Mega Compilation / Best Reactions." This is a compilation by Yanagi 19,871. So before I get started, make sure you subscribe to Yanagi 871. I'm sorry, I got that mixed up. Make sure you subscribe to Yanagi 19,871. I'm going to add the channel in the credits, comments, and the outro of the video. And with that said, also stay tuned for the update after this video. Correction, I meant to insinuate stay tuned for the announcement at the end of the reaction. And with that said, let's roll this clip. We shall see how it goes. Wrong clip now. Ooh. That's a mega burp right there. But that's a channel that has a compilation, so... Oh my god! That scared the heck out of me. I'm not gonna lie, that really scared me. What the? Jeez. Oh my god, man. So wait. The burping sound is loud, so... And he's distant. So would that mean... What the... Okay. Jeez. What has this been drinking? He's been drinking Monster or what? Something extremely fizzy, I'm sure. I mean, even though I drink Sprite Zero, I don't burp that freaking loud or anything else. But you know what I mean. Anything you eat or anything you drink, fizz-wise, or anything soft drinks or whatever, you'll still burp either way. No matter the majority or minority, you know. I mean, no matter the quality of the burp. Pardon me. That was a small burp. Guess what? I just got to eat lunch. He sure did overwhelm the woman there. Or did he? I don't know. Uh-oh. I can't believe all of them actually noticed. I'm not really sure how he panned that out, but this is funny. Uh-oh. At a bakery? Uh-oh. Who is filming him doing that? Jeez. Oh my god, man. Uh-oh. How did she notice that? Uh-oh. Look at that old man's face! Hold on. Hold on, I gotta rewind that. Look at it. Oh, you saw how he turned around? That is crazy. Oh, they're running off. I saw him. Jeez. Oh, this is very quiet. How did he pull that off in there? Very lively, awesome people there.
Goed spel.
Jeez. Man. At a store? At a market? Oh my god. Oh, you saw she quickly turn around. That's a... Oh my god, man. Huh. That sounded funny. Look at that man's reaction. Burp Symphony.
Ik ben nog steeds aan het filmen.
Oh! Oh! Town Square. She jumped almost. Uh-oh. I thought they were about to go. Oh my god. Must have been a gnarly one. Oh, she jumps! Oh my god. She was startled there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. They're looking at him. They got a burp. She must have recognized him or something. I don't know. Oh! Oh! Look at her face! Uh-oh. Oh my god, man. Oh! Microphone must have been close to him or something. After he had his chest. Oh! He scared the mess out of her. Oh my god. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. You have got to be joking. Oh man, that's a nice mall there. Oh! Oh! Monster burp. Are they even noticing who's doing that up? They're just turning backwards and... I don't know. Yeah. Sodas definitely do the trick when it comes to... natural gas. Sodas at their finest at less. Where is he? Oh my god! You remember when I made that thumbnail called Big Mouse Wanted on Dashy's recent Super Mario Maker video? I don't even know if I'm gonna make it this one, I don't know. It depends. The chorus. They're doing it too? How the heck? He said, thank you in burp version. Oh, they got quiet that fast! Jeez. Oh! She was looking upwards and then she turned around after you did that. Oh! She sees the camera. Oh! I thought she saw the camera. So they do notice him doing that. I see him right there. Uh-oh. How did he freaking... How many soda drinks did this someone gonna drink? My goodness. Oh my god, man. He needs help. Oh no. 2 red lights. Oh man, in the convertible. Oh! He sped off through the red light, man. After he did that. That's gotta be my thumbnail right there. Oh my god! And he just left just like that. Uh-oh. GTA 5 reference. Not that I play GTA 5, nor I'm not much of a Grand Theft Auto fan. Is that the dog? Oh, it looked up fast. Oh my god. This dude is one rolled Burp King. Burper King. Not Burger King, Burper King. While he's playing the freaking accordion? Oh no. Oh my god, man. Oh no. I would never do that to anyone like that, man. I do like this, but I have to admit though, that's funny right there. Man. This is like the guy that was walking by. Oh! New record. Oh, she's walking the other way. Uh-oh. He's gonna do it. Looking at him the whole entire time. Chapeau. Burp Symphony number 2. I don't even want to imagine. Oh my god. I don't even want to imagine what that would be like at the mall that I go to. This is ridiculous. Oh my god! Dude! Oh! That burp was hectic. I'm like in tears right now. Don't you do it. At least it wasn't loud on camera. When he had it up close. Wave it. What the? That's so cool. Oh man. What the heck is he doing? Making gas bubbles? Oh my god. He'll end up having a headache if he keeps doing that. Oh my god, man. Inagi, you're the best, man. That's a great compilation right there. Thank you to the person that requested me to react to this video. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy reacting to the fullest. Now, I want to inform you guys something. When it comes to submitting your requests, I understand you want me to react to them, but if you want me to react to a certain video, like one at a time, if you want me to react to a certain video that you want me to react to on YouTube, you know, when you post links in the comments, now even though I post links in the comments like sharing the actual channel to the original video that I react to, I know when you post links, YouTube, when I go to the comments section, YouTube actually marked them as spam, even though I see them on my point of view via dashboard or in the comment section like likely spam. That's what they show YouTube, and of course I try my hardest to approve them. But for those who post links in the comments, if you're submitting your reaction requests, just submit the name of the video so I can actually find them myself. But don't post the links because, well, they'll mark it as spam and it won't be discoverable in the comment section. So because I've had that with many people who request me to react to certain videos on YouTube, and I understand you want to react to the video, but if you want to react to the video, just put the title in the comment section so that way I can look it up and of course go from there and stuff like that. I don't want your comments to be marked as spam because, well, yeah, I approve them. I approve them, but for those who want me to react to a certain video, for those who usually send me links, just add the name of the video you want me to react to in the comment section. Give me some more details. You can just give me a detail of the video, like the title of the video along with the creator's name, so that way I can go ahead and look it up and react to the video for you guys and stuff like that. But either way, that's all I want to talk with you guys about. It's not a very dire update, but it's just a little update regarding your reaction requests. Just name the reaction request you want to react to in the comment section, and just type in the name of the channel that did the video, and I'll look the person up from there, and of course watch the video and stuff like that, and boom, you got it. But anyway guys, that said, I hope you guys enjoyed reaction to the fullest. If you did, smack the thumbs up button, because we're going to be going to the burp compilation of Yanagi 19,871. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm going to add his channel in the credits, comments, and the outro of the video. If you guys are new to this channel, otherwise, make sure you subscribe for more content. Make sure to follow my social media. Also join me on Twitch, where I live stream on Fridays, Saturdays, and of course on the holidays. If you want to join my community, description below. And don't forget to share because I care. And with that said, there are more to come soon. This is Silverreploid. Looking forward to the conclusion of this semester. Also, only got one more week after this week, and boom, I'll be done with the semester. I only have one more left. Wish me luck, guys. And remember, if you want to react to the video, remember, title name in the comment section and the name of the person in the comments along with the title of the video you want to react to. And that said, there are more to come soon. This is Silverreploid. Love you guys to the fullest, and as always, I will see Reploids in the next video. We are under 800 subscribers away to 10,000 subscribers. I love you guys. Have a blessed one. If you haven't already, please make sure to click the bell symbol located by the subscriber count. Just one click away, and boom. Hi there Reploids, this is Silverreploid. Wanted to take the time to say thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you want more content, please subscribe. Don't forget to follow my social media for more updates, and in case you missed it, please check out my previous video or any video displayed, and please give tons of love and support. I look forward to seeing you at the Utopia, my dear Reploids.